And I got this coconut vegan cheese, raw vegan cheese, with some sauerkraut. It's like cabbage and garlic. Maybe I'll ask my friend Edelle to explain the recipe. And I got this epic salad. Alright, so we got Edelle here, who made the vegan cheese I showed you guys last night. Tell my people how you made that.
So I just scraped the meat from fresh coconuts, about 4 or 5. It was completely full, but we've been eating it. And that, like, some of the meat was mature and other meats were more watery. And then I just blended it with some fresh turmeric tuber, and I blended it with some chili peppers, dried chili peppers, and then I mixed in a couple probiotics and let this sit for about a day. Just covered it with like a paper towel, and then put this thing over. Let it sit for about a day, and then smelled it. Smelled a little sour. Perfect. Make sure it's not moldy. Check. Eat it. Refrigerate whatever you don't eat. And there you go.
And it was really nice. So she taught me kind of how to make the coconut yogurt. So I just showed you guys how I made it, and I hope it works, because I did pretty much what you said, just that the meats were very thick and I just used one thin coconut, but it still got creamy because I added coconut water. So that's the only difference.
Yeah.
So we'll see. But next time I'll make that cheese. Thank you, Edelle. How did you make that cabbage, that sauerkraut?
I just chopped up some red cabbage or purple cabbage really finely, and then I added just a small amount of sea salt, massaged that in there, and then I put that all in a jar, and then I added vinegar and let that sit for a few days, and then sniffed it, and when it smelled kind of off, but like not bad, but just like different, then I ate it and then refrigerated the rest.
Cool. Alright, thank you.